Aloha and welcome. I am Unit E, and in this video we're going to step into another tutorial for the TR-6S. This is going to be a quick one, and it's to simply show you the fun key shortcut for doing a reload. Now, a reload is a way to take either a pattern, either the whole pattern, a variation, a single instrument's sequencing, or the position of the tune, decay, and control knob back to the value or state it was the last time you have written the kit or the pattern. Now, to set this up, you do want to make sure that they are saved in a state that you do like them in, and I do this simply by hitting Shift and then I hit Exit. And it comes to write, where overwrite is my first choice. This will save the kit and it will save the pattern, or write each of those both at the same time using overwrite. Now, you can do them individually by selecting kit or pattern, but simply overwriting is the way I want to do it. I hit OK. Now everything is saved as is. I can play my music. Okay, just a basic little 4/4 with some fun stuff from the class. But anyway, let's take maybe this bass line here, right? We have that. So we're going to play that, but we're going to also start changing maybe the tune, decay, and this control is, I believe, the course tune. So we're going to play with these things as it goes through our variations. We have 4 variations linked. Okay, watch what I do. As you can see, I'm playing with them. I know with the motion recording, it will set it back. But if you don't have motion record on something, let's go ahead and set that so maybe we do have something. Let's take our closed hat sequence, for example. Now with it saved, I can go ahead and start messing with the maybe tune knob. I get the tune way up there. Or I could change it. Now with it like that, I can simply reset that tune knob, and I could do that by just pressing and holding utility and pressing the instrument button. You have to make sure that instrument is still lit up. Doing that will reload all your knob positions. So I could do this with multiples. Filter cut off. Now you can hear it's all over the place, right? I can utility instrument. Now it's back to where it was. Okay? That's a way to reload a single instrument's knobs. Now if I went through and I started playing with all these things, I know a lot of these are going to be hard to do. Now it's all over the place. Let's utility the whole kit. Pressing utility and the kit reset all my knobs to their values they were at that last time I saved or I overwrote of all my instruments. Okay? So that's the knobs. Again, utility instrument for the one that is highlighted, it will reset your knobs. Utility kit will do it for all the instruments in the kit, it will reset your knobs. So if you do get in there and start changing them and tweaking things and want to bring it all back, utility kit. There's a couple more. Utility and any of the instruments you'll see will bring them right back. So I could do like a snare drum where we'll just play one variation so we can not get too carried away with this, but we can have it playing, right? And then I could come in here and I could, now I got the sequencing of that going to how it is. Maybe I want it to go back after doing all that stuff. I can utility and the snare drum button will set my sequencing back to the last save point. Okay? Now you could do this with a variation as well. If you change the sequencing for more than one instrument in the variation and you want to bring that variation right back to how it was, go into variation mode and hit utility and the variation that you want to reload, and it will reload it. Same thing with a pattern. If you're in pattern select mode, utility pattern select will reload the selected pattern. That's it for all those shortcuts with utility. I hope you found it useful and not too confusing or too quick. If you did find it useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let other people know. Hit the subscribe button if you like what I'm doing. And if you want to keep knowing what I'm doing, ring that bell and a notification will be sent. And as always, thanks for watching.